Compounds of carbon monoxide. Compounds of carbon, first carbon monoxide. Preparation of carbon monoxide. This எப்படி prepare பண்ணா with limited amount of oxygen. Carbon plus oxygen gives carbon monoxide. Industrial scale, carbon monoxide is prepared by the reaction of carbon with air. The carbon monoxide formed will contain nitrogen gas also, and the mixture of nitrogen and carbon monoxide is also called as producer gas. That is C plus O2 and N2 in air, it forms CO plus N2, which is called producer's gas. The producer gas is then passed through a solution of copper chloride under pressure, which results in the formation of CuCl CO.2H2O. இந்த வந்து pressure reduce பண்ணோம், pure carbon monoxide can be formed. Another method, pure carbon monoxide is prepared by warming methanoic acid. Formic acid சொல்றோம், methanoic acid HCOH plus H2SO4 gives CO plus H2O plus H2SO4. Properties. Carbon monoxide colorless, odorless and poisonous. Unfortunately கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாது, but poisonous. It is slightly soluble in water. Chemical properties. It burns in air with a blue flame forming carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. When carbon monoxide is treated with chlorine in presence of light or charcoal, it forms a poisonous gas, carbonyl chloride, which is known as phosgene. In the reaction பின்னாடி ஒரு தடவை பார்க்க போகிறோம். CO plus Cl2 gives COCl2, which is called as phosgene, which is a very poisonous substance. It is used in the synthesis of isocyanates. Carbon monoxide acts as a strong reducing agent. அப்போ carbon monoxide plus Fe2O3 reduces Fe2O3 to Fe. அதே போல் under high temperature and pressure, a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen synthetic gas or synthetic gas, syn gas ன்னு போட்டிருக்காங்க ஷார்ட்டாக, gives methanol. CO plus H2 gives CH3OH. Very important reaction, Fischer-Tropsch synthesis. Fischer-Tropsch synthesis. இந்த கார்பன் மோனாக்சைடை ஹைட்ரஜனோட ஆட் பண்ணும்போது less amount of pressure metal catalyst at 500 to 700 Kelvin yields saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated na having single double bond and single bonded compounds. NCO plus 2N plus 1 H2 gives Cn, H2N plus 2 plus NH2O. NCO plus 2NH2 gives CnH2n plus NH2O. Carbon monoxide forms numerous complex compounds with the transition metals, in which the transition metal is in zero oxidation state. These compounds are obtained by heating the metal with carbon monoxide. Structure of carbon monoxide. And observe பண்ணிங்கன்னா இந்த ஃபிகரில் it has a linear structure. In carbon monoxide, 3 electron pairs are shared between carbon and oxygen. பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும், இந்த ஆக்சிஜன் கிட்ட இருக்க அந்த 3 electron pairs and carbon கிட்ட இருக்குது. The bonding can be explained using molecular orbital theory, which will be learnt in your 11th standard. The CO bond distance is 1.128 angstrom. The structure can be considered as a resonance hybrid. 1, 2, 3 structures இருக்குது. And canonical forms இந்த மூணு அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. Uses of carbon monoxide. Equimolar mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide is called water gas. And the mixture of carbon monoxide and nitrogen is producer gas or important industrial fuels. Carbon monoxide is a good reducing agent and can reduce many metal oxides to metals. முன்னாடி நம்ம பார்த்தோம், Fe2O3 gets reduced to Fe. Carbon monoxide is an important ligand and forms carbonyl compound with transition metals. Ligand அப்படின்னா நெகட்டிவ்லி பின்னாடி படிக்கலாம் அது. Next compound is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide naturally கிடைக்குது, free state, அதுதான் plants யூஸ் பண்ணிக்குது. It is a constituent of air which is 0.03%. It occurs in rock as calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. Production, it is done on an industrial scale. It is produced by burning coke in excess of air. CO plus O2 gives 2CO2, where the delta H value is 394 kilojoules per mole. Calcination, நம்ம previous lesson la படிச்சோம். Calcination of lime produces carbon dioxide as a byproduct. CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2. Common reaction. Carbon dioxide is prepared in the laboratory by the action of dilute HCl on metal carbonates. Example, CaCO3 plus HCl gives CaCl2 plus H2O plus carbon dioxide. Next, properties of carbon dioxide. It is a colorless, non-flammable gas. Non-flammable, the gas, and is heavier than air. Its critical temperature is 31 degrees Celsius and it is easily liquefied. Carbon dioxide at 3100 Kelvin forms carbon monoxide and half oxygen. Carbon dioxide higher temperatures la forms carbon plus oxygen. Reducing behavior. Romba higher temperatures la it acts as a strong reducing agent. Carbon monoxide plus magnesium gives magnesium oxide plus carbon. நம்ம அடுத்து பார்க்க போகிறது ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ரியாக்ஷன் which is water gas equilibrium. ரியாக்ஷன் இந்த ரியாக்ஷன் ஈக்லிபிரியமில் கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடுக்கும் ஹைட்ரஜனுக்கும் இருக்கிற இந்த ஈக்லிபிரியம் ரியாக்ஷன் வந்து வாட்டர் கேஸ் ஈக்லிபிரியம் ரியாக்ஷன் சொல்கிறாங்க. நிறைய இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் இருக்குது, பின்னாடி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். The equilibrium involved in the reaction between carbon dioxide and hydrogen has many industrial applications and it is called water gas equilibrium. CO2 plus H2 gives CO plus H2O, water gas. Acidic behavior. Carbon dioxide is slightly acidic. The carbonic acid. இந்த carbonic acid தான் நம்ம aerated drinksலலாம் அடைச்சி வைக்கிறாங்க. இந்த carbon dioxide is not completely soluble in water. அதனால அதை carbonic acid convert பண்ணி அதை தான் நம்ம வந்து aerated drinksல வைக்கிறாங்க. Aqueous solution of carbon dioxide gives carbonic acid. Structure of carbon dioxide. Again, 3 canonical forms இருக்குது. முன்னாடி carbon monoxide மாதிரியே. Carbon dioxide again linear structure with equal bond distance. ஒவ்வொரு எலமெண்ட்டுக்கும் distance வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். In this molecule there is 1 sigma bond in addition to 4 electron bond covering all the 3 atoms. Uses of carbon dioxide. ஒரு inert atmosphere, ஒரு chemical processல inert atmosphere produce பண்ணணும்னா we need carbon dioxide. And நம்ம ஏற்கனவே சொன்ன போல biologically it is important for photosynthesis. Plants prepare their own food with the help of carbon dioxide. And the starch பண்றதுக்காக it is also used as fire extinguisher and a propellant gas. It is used in the production of carbonated beverages and in production of foam. நான் சொன்ன போல ஏற்கனவே இந்த aerated எல்லா ட்ரிங்க்ஸ்லையும் இதை வந்து கார்போனிக் ஆசிடாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி ஆட் பண்ணி வைப்பாங்க. அப்போ அதெல்லாம் வந்து சோடா வாட்டர் இதெல்லாம் நம்ம நிறையா சொல்லிகிட்ருக்கோம். தென் சிலிக்கன் டெட்ராக்ளோரைட், SiCl4. Silicon tetrachloride can be prepared by passing dry chlorine over an intimate mixture of silica and carbon by heating to 1675 Kelvin in a porcelain tube. Porcelain tube na and the China glass nala. SiO2 plus carbon plus 2Cl2 gives SiCl4 plus 2CO. Commercially it can also be prepared by the reaction of silicon with hydrochloric acid at 600 Kelvin. Silicon plus HCl gives SiCl4 plus H2. Properties. Silicon tetrachloride is a colorless fuming liquid and at freezing point on the minus 70 degrees Celsius. Moist air, silicon tetrachloride is hydrolyzed with water to give silica and hydrochloric acid. SiCl4 plus H2O gives 4HCl plus SiOH 4 times. And alcoholysis, alcohol convert பண்ற alcohol oda reaction SiCl4 ethanol C2H5OH gives SiOO C2H5 4 times plus 2Cl2. Then ammonialysis, SiCl4 plus NH3 at 330 Kelvin gives Cl3 SiNH SiCl3. Uses silicon tetrachloride is used in the production of semiconducting silicon and it is also used as a starting material in the synthesis of silica gel, silicate esters and binder for ceramic materials.